Okay, so I'm doing a Camtasia test. I'm recording sample demo using audio as I go along. So I've got my Logitech USB headset plugged into my Windows XP virtual machine, which is running on Mac OS. I'm running Camtasia Recorder, and I have a Utopia demo provisioned on nods that I'm currently accessing through the browser-based VNC. This is actually BP's Zenworks Orchestrator demo. So in this window here, what we've got is the demo script. So I'm just going to run through that really informally and just kind of run through the steps of the demo. And then what we want to look at is how smart focus works and how it's going to zoom in and out on areas of the screen automatically. So looking through BP's script, some of this stuff has been done already because we're on nods. So this thing here about restarting NFS services has all been done. So we can move straight onto this section here, server startup. So I'm now going to go switch to the terminal window and run ZOC as a background process. Click on the Utopia grid for the login prompt and then clear the existing jobs. Let's do that first. So I'll switch to the terminal and ZOC, and here's the first problem you encounter is I can't actually type an ampersand because once I'm in this terminal window the shift key doesn't work. This happened to me last time, so I had to go down here, type an ampersand, and then use cut and paste. It's all a little bit kind of kludgy. Cut and then paste it into this window. There you go. Hit the carriage return. Okay, so the orchestrator console is loading now. Discovering servers. If we click on Utopia grid, then we should get a login prompt, and we need to log in as ZOS admin password N0V3LL, and then click OK. And then this should give us an expanded view of what's going on our grid. There we go. So I'll just drag this pane over that way a little bit, and then we'll click on the jobs toolbar icon. Right, so this is showing jobs that are currently configured. What we now need to do is just right click on any of these and do right click on any of these, remove completed jobs. Okay, so they've all been completed. We've now got an empty list. What we're going to do next in the next step is to populate this with some demo jobs. So let's just refer back to our script here. Okay, so we've done that bit. Scroll down. Okay, we're going to do this bit now here, right? So we're going to switch to the terminal window, get the prompt back. We're going to set up new jobs for the extranet demo. We're going to change directory, run a setup script, and then we're going to run the demo script in a new tab. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I need to make sure I can still see this path. Right, tell you what we'll do. Oh great, it put a load of S's in. I hate this. Of course, once I get to the actual finished Camtasia, I can get rid of all this crap and make it look like it worked first time. Right, there we go, good. Now I can run ./setup, and this will run the script to create the jobs for the extranet demo. So this will take a few seconds. Right, I think is that it? I think so. What we now need to do is load up a new terminal window. New tab. And okay, why haven't I got a prompt? Don't know. Okay, let's not bother that. Let's do a new window. Open terminal, default. Come on. This should give me a command prompt. It's letting me type. Oh, here we go. It is working. It's just not displaying very well. There we want to do dot slash, just one slash please. Extranet demo. Okay, if we're lucky and it works, we should get a new window appear with some clocks on it. Some kind of dashboard readout type thing. Any second now. Here it comes. So this is a Java kind of dashboard of the jobs that it's running. Just give it a second and in a minute it will show us something. There you go. A bit more interesting. Got some dials. We've got Apache service, WebLogic service, Oracle service, Onyx service. And they're all kind of ticking over nicely there. Now we need to go back to the script to figure out what to do next. So let's have a look in that. Extranet demo, we've done that. This will start jobs on the appropriate hosts. Click on resources and you'll notice that 3 jobs, Apache, Oracle, WebLogic, will have started on 3 separate hosts. The hosts that have jobs running will be represented by blue squares, and the host awaiting jobs by a green square. Click on the host to see what job is running on it. Click on the jobs icon, click on the extranet instance, toggle subjob tree. Right, so basically now these jobs are running, we can see all that happening in here. So if we click resources, for example, you can see that we've got some different hosts here, and this is the demo workload that's running. So if we click on that, demo Apache, that's not what I want. What did he say to do? The hosts that have jobs running are represented by a blue square. Click on each host to see what job is running on it. That's kind of what we did, isn't it? Okay. So these don't have jobs running on them, but the blue one does. And that's running this extranet demo. Then if we go to jobs, click the jobs button. That's it. Oops. There we are. And the extranet job, what you'll see there down the bottom, no, okay. Oh, sorry, beg your pardon, I know what I've got to do. So you've got to click on the job for extranet, then click resources tab down here. Right, so that shows you, there you go, this is the extranet demo, and you can see that there are 3 hosts, each of which is running one subjob. So if we toggle the subjob tree, we can see that the extranet job is made up of 3 subjobs, Apache, Oracle and WebLogic. So if we click on each of those, you'll see Apache's running on demo 2, Oracle on demo 5 and WebLogic on demo 6. And click back up there to see all 3 of them together. Okay, so that's it. What I'm now going to do is end the recording.